feeling lost in the myriad of choices and processes involved in buying a car? Navigate the car buying seas with ease at Jerry Pfeil Bayside Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Meaford, Ontario. Stay tuned for a crash course in making an informed decision on your next vehicle purchase, complemented with insights from our detailed blog post. Choosing the perfect vehicle goes beyond just the looks. It's about finding the right balance between maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, and the comforts that suit your lifestyle. When test driving, focus not just on comfort, but also explore the safety features thoroughly. And remember, always trust your instincts. Keen on diving deeper into the nuances of car buying, our new article is packed with valuable insights to steer you in the right direction. Simply click the link below. We love hearing from our community. Share your car buying experiences or ask questions in the comments below. Join our tribe of satisfied customers. Subscribe for more guides and tips to keep your vehicle journey smooth and hassle-free. Drop by at Jerry Pfeil Bayside Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Meaford, Ontario, your trusted guide in the automotive world.